Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set dual apps in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to advanced features. Then here select dual messenger. Supported apps will appear here. WhatsApp and Facebook are showing here. Just you go to turn on button against WhatsApp and then click on install. Another WhatsApp account, WhatsApp apps will be creating in the home page of our phone, and similarly click on button against Facebook, click on install. Another Facebook app will be showing on the home page. Go to the home page and see there. These are only duplicate apps. WhatsApp duplicate, Facebook duplicate. So you can sign in into two accounts of WhatsApp and Facebook without signing out of each one. Okay, in this way you can easily create dual apps in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.